Hello everybody, today we will stretching for our body, for feeling good, and which you can do every day. So stay with me and we will get started. So first exercise which we will do, we will get in this position, take our breath and slowly go for our leg and back. 2, back, 3, relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back, and now we will start moving our hip for warm up them and stretch them. So I will take my right hand on the back and starting moving hip and back. 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, and 5. You can try again in this position. So good work. Take 2 legs together, take your breath and slowly breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will hope that you like it. Subscribe me, take likes, and go and watch my other videos. So bye bye.